Hello everyone, my name is Cassie and I am from Western Canada. I am here again with ETC Online School and we are talking about pronunciation of the Z sound. Okay, let's get started. So, when we are pronouncing Z, it is what we called a voiced sound. Or a voiced consonant. And the reason why it's called a voiced consonant is you need your voice to make the sound. If we are using or saying the S sound, we don't need our voice. It's just air. So if you put your hand on your throat and you say S, you don't feel anything. Your hand doesn't feel anything on your throat. So, S. Try it with me. S. No vibration. However, if you say Z and you put your hand on your throat, Z, there's vibration on your hand. So, S, unvoiced, and Z is voiced because of the way it feels on your hand and in your throat, okay? So let's take a look at how we pronounce Z. So Z, the Z sound, is very similar to S or S, but you use your voice. So in your mouth, you'll have your tongue close to your teeth, but use your voice. So, Z, like a bee. Z. Good work. Okay, guys, so now we're going to practice the difference between S and Z. So the unvoiced S and the voiced Z. Okay, let's have a look. And if you guys want to practice with your hand on your throat to feel the difference, that's a good job and I recommend it, okay? So for our first sound, S, we have the word sue. Sue. Okay? Next, it's zoo. So although it's a similar sounding word, the S, sue, is unvoiced, but the Z in zoo is voiced. So we have sue. Can you repeat that after me? Sue. Good work. And zoo. Zoo. Good job. Okay, next we'll look at bus and buzz. So bus and buzz. Okay, repeat after me. Bus with the unvoiced S and buzz, buzz with the voiced Z. Good work. Okay, now let's look at sip and zip. So sip. Sip. Well done. Next is zip. Zip. Well done. Okay, good job. So last we have price or prize. So price is another word where the C makes the S sound. So price and prize. So price. Good job. And prize. Prize. Good work. And one last thing to remember before we move on to the next page is the E in price is silent and the E in prize is silent. Okay, so price and prize. Awesome. Good job, you guys.